play around with words. And most of my spoken word, most of my poems are, I usually want to talk about certain things, but there are times that I really just want to play around with words. But this next poem that I'm going to do, this is sort of me combining those two things. And it's a general idea of what we should do. It's basically about listening. So this next poem is called The Sounds of the City. I remember I wrote this like last year. I hope I can remember all of the words because this is one of my earliest spoken words. It goes like this. This is Sounds of the City. There's a saying, ignorance is bliss. And this bliss is like your favorite song. You need to listen to it over and over. And in this bliss, you were like a cloud up in the air, not knowing where to float on, freed from affairs, burdening your back, simply living a life of lightness. You put your headphones on your ears to drown in the drums and hooks till the beats can't bob your head or the riffs can't relate that electrifying feeling. Then you look for more tracks to bring back that ecstasy. But like each one, they all end. They can't seem to save you from yourself. And despite their magic to lift you up, when they're over, you were blown across the vastness against your will until you begin to ask, where am I going? So when these songs stop and you long to be filled with something else, you want to feel your feet touch the ground. I'm going to tell you this, listen. 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 Listen to the sounds of the cars and buses blaring their horns in congested roads, of the creaking wheels of the trains against rusted rails, of the blasting music of the jeepneys. Listen to the marching feet of the men and women on the streets, and the drowned, augmented voices through megaphones preaching for justice and peace. And listen to the cries of the dirt-smeared children of every cussing citizen and confessing Christian. Listen. Listen within walls, in transit, under the scorching heat or in the choking atmosphere, and listen to the ear heavy breathing. Listen to the sounds of the city. Take your headphones off, listen carefully because they might sound like noise now, but soon they're going to sound like a symphony to your ears and you'll hear new beats, new melodies, new words to remember to take hold and hopefully compose new music. Because ignorance is bliss, the resonant rumbling drums and riffs that rocket you to outer space can give you such smiles on your faces as each cheek dances with your lips to present the world your teeth like the satellites, to guide you in the vastness, to light up its dark emptiness like stars illuminating, only to realize that the emptiness of the space is as empty as you. And you only wish to be filled with the bliss of this like you. I'm glad I remember all the words. It's a really old piece that I've written.